So good afternoon. We got now the new window lifter regulator back in, and here's what the issue is: that the metal here actually is fractured, and down here you can see it, it's really bad. And that's the following thing: this one is still good, and these two here are still good. So what will happen now is when I close it, you cannot see it completely, but the motor actually moves. I think I got it fixed enough in place, but the motor actually goes in this way every time you close it, and it goes into the top position. It twists over, and that's how it broke the other regulator here in two spots, and it bent it actually. I got it now tightened in enough, but eventually I will need a new door for this. After this is what a door looks like it after 333,000 miles with the so you can see the motor moving in and out, and that's gonna wear out the metal at one point or another, and that will be the end of the door. Well, anyway, for the moment I would say probably a year, 2 years it will last. You can also see the fat. So this door was treated. I have that everywhere here, and so I won't have any issues with rust in this. The rust protection has been applied. And with that, you have a great afternoon.